For this game, you are going to try to get 4 in a row before your opponents do. So how you're going to play the game is roll 3 dice. So you can click right here to open it up in a new tab. It starts by showing you 1 dice, but if you click this 6-sided dice 2 more times, you'll see that you get 3 dice and then you can roll them. So you rolled a 2, a 3, and a 2. So now let's go back to the game board, and I'm going to drag down the 2 and the 3 and the 2. So I have these numbers, the tenths place, the hundredths place, and the thousandths place, and I want to be able to find this number on my game board after it's been rounded to the hundredths place. So if I were to round this number as is to the hundredths place, I would need 23 hundredths. So I can look on my board and see if I have a 23 hundredths. Well, I don't see a 23 hundredths right off the bat, but I do see a 32 hundredths. So if you can arrange your dice in a different way, let's try this. So now I have 3 tenths, 2 hundredths, and 2 thousandths. If I were to round it to the hundredths place, this 2 would say that this 2 stays the same. So I would have 32 hundredths, which is right here on the game board. So if I'm blue, I'm going to drag my blue and cover up the 32 hundredths. Now it's going to be player 2's turn, and then player 3's turn, and then back to you. On your next turn, you can put back your dice, and you are going to try to choose a number that is going to help you get 4 in a row. So the next time, maybe you want to try to get something that would round to 19 hundredths or 63 hundredths or 45 hundredths. So think about what you need when you go to start rearranging the dice that you rolled so that you can more quickly get 4 in a row and beat your opponents. If you can't remember how to play at any time, you can always go back to this slide that has the directions. So have fun playing a game and practicing rounding decimals.